Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of LTC, XRP, DOGE, SHIB and Atom. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment device. So let's begin the technical analysis. So I have opened the chart of LTC against the USDC on 1 day time frame. If we look at the LTC, currently it is moving in its falling channel formation, where the support of this channel formation is at 75 and the resistance of this channel formation is at 136. Currently prices are moving at 127.93. So you can keep this coin in your watch list, and it has very important level of 136. If it give closing on daily basis above 136, its prices can go on upside to the level of 194. But if the prices fail to give closing above 136, then its prices will simply start coming on downside, where it will touch the level of 105, and its final target on downside will be the support of this channel formation, and that is a 75. So if you want to go for buying, either you can go for buying if it sustains above 136, or you get it prices at the support of this channel formation, that is 75. And until that time, if the prices fail to sustain above 136, you can go for selling or short selling into this coin at this level, that is 136. And in the case of short selling, your first target will be around 106 and your final target for short selling will be around 75. But you need to make sure that you put your stop loss above 136. The next coin is XRP. So if we look at the XRP, I have opened the chart of XRP on 1 day time frame. Currently, it is consolidating, where the support of this consolidation zone is at 1.7821, and the resistance of its consolidation zone is at 3.4023. Currently, prices are moving at 2.5755. So it is just middle, so currently it is just in between these two levels. So it has full potential to go either on its resistance, that is 3.4023, and it has the same potential to come at its support level, that is 1.7821. So if you want to go for buying into this coin, either you need to make sure that this coin sustains above 2.7930, then you can go for buying into this coin and your target will be at a 3.4023. And in other scenario, if the prices start coming to downside, then you can go for buying into this coin at 1.7821, and you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below this level, that is 1.7821. And after that, your first target will be around 2.5772, and your final target will be around 3.4023. That is the all-time high of this coin in near history. The next coin is Doge. If we look at the Doge against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in its falling channel formation. Its current prices are 0.24572. It has a support of this channel formation at 0.18039, and the resistance of this channel formation is at 0.38539. If you want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that you get your prices at you get your buying prices at 0.18039. After that, you put your stop loss below the support of this channel formation. After that, your first target will be at 0.27898, and your final target will be around the resistance of this channel formation, that is around 0.38539. If you want to get exit from this coin, the exit point will be at 0.27898 in case of buying. If you have bought it at high risk and you want to exit from this coin, then you can exit from this coin at 0.27898. The next coin is the SHIB. If we look at the SHIB against USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this flag formation when it gave closing below 0.00002011, and after that it exposed the two targets on downside where its first target was at 0.00001609, and this first target is already achieved in this big red candle, and its final target was at 0.00001074 after this breakdown, and this target was based on its strong support on 1 day time frame on this candle basis. So but if we look at the wick of this candle, this green candle, and I think this target has already been achieved in this candle, because it just came very close to this final target, and we can see there were huge buying volumes at this level. So we can consider that this final target has already been achieved in this coin. So if you have bought this coin at higher rates and you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, then this coin can give you a chance to exit from it. That exit point is at 0.00001808, and as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is also 0.001808. I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend, and we will get its confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will sustain above the level of 0.00001808. The next coin is Atom. If we look at the trend of Atom against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is in its downtrend. It gave the breakdown of this flag formation when it gave closing below 6.295, and after that it exposed the final target of 3.665. That is a strong support on a 1 day time frame. And if you look at the wick of this candle has already achieved this final target. So if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, then this coin can give you a chance to exit from this, and that exit point is 5.520. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is also 5.520. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend, and we will get confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will sustain above 5.520. So I have discussed these coins on 1 day time frame in my this video. So if you want to get their alerts on a smaller time frame like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, or 30-minute time frame, for such kind of alerts, you can join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. Their links are given in video description. And that's all for now. See you in next video.